My name is Mohamad Farisin Rosdi. I am from DTP1A. My matrix number is 24DTP22F1051.
Is Mama Ammar Syafi with Mama Azri. My matrix number is 24DTP22F1024.
Hi, my name is Muhamad Ikmal and my matrix number is 24DTP22F1026.
Badrisah bin Shafiee. My matrix number is 24DTP22F1028. My name is Muventdren and Shankar. My matrix number is 24DTP22F1038. We're going to do a presentation about differentiation based on engineering.
So the definition of the rate of change are: rate of change refers to how quickly something changes over time. It does the acceleration or deceleration of change and not the magnitude of individual change themselves. In finance, rate of change is used to understand price, return and identify momentum in trend. The formula for the rate of change is dy per dx equal to dy per dt times dt per dx.
Now I will talk about the application of differentiation. Okay, Mr. Ramli needs to use the total differentiation method to find out the volume of requested swimming pool to come up with a blueprint.
For problem statement, Mr. Ramli is the manager of the Sierra Pools Amsterdam Berhad, Malaysia. He was requested by his customer to design an upgraded version of swimming pool than the company usually does. He needs to come out with a blueprint that involves with the volume of the swimming pool. The company he works usually builds a swimming pool with the width 5 meter, the length of 8 meter and the height of 2.5 meter. So now Mr. Ramli needs to increase 3 meter of the width, 4.5 meter of the length and decrease 0.3 meter of the height of the swimming pool the company produced.
I'm going to do the mathematical solution with the drawing. Our swimming pool is in a cuboid shape. The height is 2.5 meter, the width is 5 meter and the length is 8 meter. The delta W, delta H and delta L assume as Mr. Ramli needs to increase the width, the length and the height of the swimming pool. So the delta W becomes 3 meter, delta H becomes negative 0.3 meter because he needs to decrease the height of the swimming pool. Next, the delta L becomes 4.5 meter. The volume of cuboid is V equals to W times H times L. So now we have to do two differentiation, which is delta V over delta W and delta V over delta H. Our first differentiation is delta V over delta W equals to HL. Our second differentiation is delta V over delta H equals to WL. In order to find the value of dV, we have to use total differentiation method. The formula is dV equals to delta V over delta W times with delta W plus delta V over delta H times with delta H plus delta V over delta L times with delta L. So our second step will be delta V equals to HL times with delta W plus WL times with delta H plus the WH times with delta L. So our H is 2.5 meter, L is 8 meter, so 2.5 times with 8 and times with delta W which is 3. Then for the second 5 times 8 times negative 0.3 plus 5 times 2.5 times 4.5. So you will get 60 minus 12 plus 56.25. So your final answer will be 104.25 meter cube. Mr. Ramli managed to find out the volume of the swimming pool for the blueprint. This proved to us the concept of differentiation involved in our daily life.